so excited for today's video. Let's dance, 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 dance. Hi, how's everybody doing today? I am feeling fantastic. So today we are going to be reviewing the March Ricky's Cult Crushes March subscription. I cannot wait to show you guys what is in here. I did take a sneak peek just because I wanted to get the value of all the items so that we can go over that as well. These lights shining on my hands are really annoying, so hold on. Let me just take a drink of my blended pizza because I had a hot Cheeto and my mouth is on fire. All right, so this box is 11 bucks a month. You get shipped. You get charged the month before for this month's box. So I got charged February 14th, the $11 for the March subscription, if that makes sense. I usually receive this box earlier in the month, but one thing I did love is that the company sent me an email on March 5th saying, hey, your box is gonna be a little bit late. Don't worry, it's on its way. I love that touch of customer service. Don't leave me waiting. Just don't like say nothing and stay quiet and me being like, where's my box? Hello, customer service, where's my box? No, send me an email, say, hey, we know you're there, girl. Hold up, it's going, it's on its way. Loved it. I received this March 17th and I actually did, it was delivered earlier March 17th and then I received an email that night saying, hey, it's on its way. I don't know, but I received it. Let's jump right on in. So this is what the box looks like inside. The bubble wrap just fell out of it. So every box of Cult Crushes is curated by gather our thoughts. Every box is curated by a different influencer. This month I don't know how to pronounce her name, so I don't want to like, you know, just make a fool of myself, but she does look amazing. I want to keep this picture because I don't know how she did that eyeshadow look, but I want to try it. I'm a beginner, but I want to try that out. I don't know why I can't speak today. Maybe I need more pizza. All right, so the first item in here is from Ricky, their actual store brand, and it's a non-latex 3D blender. I always want to call these beauty blenders, but I know it's not a beauty blender. It's a 3D blender sponge is what this is. I love this teal color on it, and you can never get and have enough of these blenders. Am I right? So I love having this one. $10 value, so we're starting off good. $10. The next item in here is a liquid eyeliner from Palladio, I think is what it's called. Now I wear liquid eyeliner all the time. Today I'm not wearing any. I'm actually wearing eyeshadow. I just like put it as a liner. Does that make sense? It was like a dark brown eyeshadow, but excuse me. So I normally do wear liquid eyeliner, and I like, usually, I'm sure you guys know if you've done subscription boxes, you know that you usually receive a pencil eyeliner. I like that this one isn't a pencil because I'm not a fan of the pencil ones because of the tips on them. They're like markers. This one does say that it's a felt, it says a felt tip applicator, but when I swiped it on my hand, it doesn't feel like a marker. It feels like a brush. Like when I'm doing this on the side of it, yeah, it does feel like a marker, but when I'm swiping it, it doesn't feel that way. It feels like an actual brush, which I love. So you can get a super precise line on there, and this one is in the color black. I absolutely love this. I can't wait to try this out. This one has a value of $7, so we are at a running total of $17. The next item is LA Girl Pro Prep High Definition Smoothing Face Primer. I use primer right now. I use the Professional one from Benefit, I think it is. I think I paid like $12 for that one. This one has a value of $5.99, which I'm always up for trying new things, especially if they are not as much in cost as the brand I'm currently using. So I'm excited to try this out. But here's the thing, I don't really know if I need primer. When I'm filming, I don't usually put primer on because I'm only gonna have my makeup on for about an hour, right? When I go out, I do put it on because I feel like primer is gonna help the makeup stick even more, which I think is the point of it. But I don't notice a difference in my makeup or skin when I actually put it on. I don't know, maybe I don't know. You guys tell me how you guys feel. I'm still gonna use it, so you guys tell me how you feel about it. So there's that one. Again, this one's $5.99. So we have a total of 10, 7, and 6 is 10, 7 is 23. So we're at 23 bucks with this one, and that's item number 3. The next item in here is from House of Lashes, and it's in the style Temptress. Now, I'm not a fan of wearing, not that I'm not a fan, I just don't know how to really wear lashes. So I'm excited to get these. I am actually subscribed to House of Lashes, not subscribed, but I follow them on Instagram, and I've always wanted to order a set, but I'll be honest with you guys, when I do wear lashes, the ones that I normally get are either because I got them from a subscription box, or the Dollar King by my mom's house has them for $1.50, and they have all kinds of styles, and they're amazing, and they're $1.50, so you can just toss them and you're done, you know. So when I see these, I'm like, I don't know if I want to spend that much. It's not that much, but for me, I'm like, if I can get a pair I love for $1.50, I don't know if I want to spend $9 on this, but I'm glad that I got them because now I can, you know, test them out and see what I like better. And so these do have a value of $9. So we're at a total of, I don't know, I forgot, I'll total it at the end. The last thing, and that was item number 4, the last thing in here is this palette. It's called Meet Matte Trimony. And oh, this is so cute. It says on the back, height 6'2", eye color blue, occupation eyeshadow palette, enjoys long walks on the beach, creamy eyeshadows, and fabulous liners. Don't we all? So this palette, I'm actually wearing it. I'm a beginner. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just kind of like grabbing different brushes and like blah, 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 you know, just putting it on my eyeballs, and hopefully it stays. So this is, I am wearing 3 of these shades today. This is what the palette looks like. I apologize that it looks a little messy because I was using it today, but I love these colors, and it does come with a mirror. So I absolutely love these colors. The ones I'm wearing today, let me swatch them for you guys. It is dun 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 dun, and I'll swatch them and then I'll show you guys which one I am wearing. Da, 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 da. They are a tad bit chalky, not gonna lie, they are, although I do absolutely love these colors. They are just a tiny bit not patchy, chalky. So this is the 3 colors that I am wearing, and the ones I'm wearing are this one, Meet Thomas, this one, Meet Lynn. This one, I put it all over my eye, and then I put that one on, and then I put a tad bit of this one on, which is Matt Makowski, this one here. So this color, this family of colors is what I love. I absolutely love this actual palette. I was looking it up online, and it's 42 bucks. This is not a travel sample size. This is the actual palette that's worth $42. That is freaking amazing to me. So this, I personally would not spend $42 on this, but I can see why it is $42. The colors are beautiful. The formula on this is super creamy. There's a really light one. Here's the other, and the third one, you know, the ones I'm using. And I absolutely love these colors. 42 bucks. So our whole box has a value of $73.98. Remember, we only paid $11 for it. So, okay, here's the thing. Here's where I feel perplexed, right? Ipsy is, to me, the original subscription box, right? Or envelope or bag, whatever you want to call it. I don't know if it is, but in my mind it is, right? It's 10 bucks. I get 5 sample sizes, right? My Ricky's is 11 bucks, and I get 5 full-size products. They're not samples. And it's a $74 value for 11 bucks. So in my mind, I'm kind of debating, like, do I want to keep Ipsy? Do I want to just stick with Ricky's? I'm not letting the Ricky's go. I am keeping that one. But Ipsy, it's kind of like, leaving this, like, I don't know. You know what I mean? So I'm going to keep my Ipsy for a couple more months just to kind of see what I feel for it. I think it's kind of like, I don't know. I just don't want to let it go. But part of me feels like, look at what I'm getting in this $11 box versus what I'm getting in the $10 box. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know. I'm conflicted, I think is the word. I don't know if I mentioned this in the beginning of the video, but I do want to let you guys know you can subscribe to Ricky's. I will leave the link in the description down below, but March and April boxes are sold out. So if you subscribe, you will not be getting a box until May, so just keep that in mind. I am gonna keep that subscription. I absolutely love this subscription. I'm not gonna let it go, at least not for a while, you know. So you guys let me know what you guys think. If you guys received it, if you guys are fans of it, if you liked it or not, you know, let me know everything you guys think in the comments down below. I love reading your guys' comments. But please, before you guys go, do not forget to hit the like and the subscribe button somewhere there down below. Also the little bell notification so that you're notified every single time I upload a video, because why miss out on all this fun? Thank you guys so much for spending some time with me, and I shall see you guys next time. Bye.